Welcome to Jimmy's Blacksmithing. Today I want to show you just briefly some sort of organization, if there is such a thing in this shop. Okay, here are some handy little bins I made out of some 4-inch square tube that I had laying around, and I thought, well, you know, putting things in order, keeping the punches and stuff in there and chisels, you can keep it somewhat organized. At least it's standing up. Otherwise, it used to be sitting, excuse the lighting, sitting on this bench in a big cluster, and you know, the benches get dirty enough as it is. And anyway, safety goggles, always have safety goggles. Here's a bunch of files. I just took a block of wood and drilled holes in it and threw files in there. That way they don't touch and get dull and so on and so forth. You always need some scrap. I must emphasize, scrap is so important, as well as you know, recycling. Back in the old days, you know, they didn't have the option of going to the steel yard and getting some nice steel. There's some more stuff. Excuse the shop. It's there's a lot of stuff that goes on in here. We do some woodworking now and again, and so on. And here's another thing, last and least, I guess, is a kind of a, I don't know what you call it, a hammer cart or a tool cart. It is pretty much loaded with hammers. And anyways, you can put things in the bottom. There's all kinds of miscellaneous stuff in there. It needs to be kind of organized a little bit. But a lot goes on in this shop, but you don't need all this, you know, too much stuff. But hammers are invaluable. Various sizes, different weights, different configurations of the front and the back. And some of these are just punches and cutters. But the hammers are just, you know, I've been working with hammers probably since I was in diapers, and anyway, so I've collected a lot through the years and used a lot of them in my occupations and such. But on the cart, you can hang tools and things like that, you know, and just get them out of your way and put things in the bin. And anyways, in a layout table, you always have to have something like that. Something to quench your tools in, or your hand if you burn it. I've had hot slag just recently, in the last couple of years, like no other time in my life, come and get between the hammer handle and my hand, or in between my fingers. Some of you may want to wear gloves. And anyways, this is a gas forge. I've never seen one like it. This is my own design. I can't forge weld with it. I don't think. I need to modify it, and it's been a dozen years. I prefer coal, and I have a coal forge outside. And anyways, I thought that might help. Okay. And anyways, keep smithing, and if you have any requests or anything like that, something you want to be shown how to make, please make a comment, and I'll see what I can do. Thank you for visiting, and have a great day.